Good afternoon. My name is Santiago Dixon Moreno. This is my presentation of my virtual learning object. In my first slide, my title is Recommendations of the Work of Listening and Speaking Skills. Course director Diana Constanza Cruz, number group 5180 16/21. Presentation. In the next block, we will show the different tips for face-to-face environment and online for our students to carry out activities to develop their listening and speaking skills in the English language. Objectives. First, demonstrate that the students can acquire and strengthen their listening and speaking skills through these activities. Explore more face-to-face and online activities so that our students are more dynamic, innovative, and participatory in their classes. Third, improve and strengthen the knowledge of students to develop their communication skills with people of a second language and speak English more friendly. Continue the listening materials. 5 listening tips to design listening activities for online language environments to improve listening skills. Lyrics training. This app has long been a favorite of mine as it combines listening to songs with learning. Language students can choose songs in a variety of languages, then watch the video of the song and try to reconstruct the lyrics. Other tips, listen notes. Listen notes can help teachers or students to find listening materials that fit their interests. If they log in, students can start to create collections of different podcast episodes that they like and keep working on their listening skills while listening to them whenever is convenient. Ace and Rosie. This a great app for any of your students who use Facebook. It is a simple, free, and that works with Facebook Messenger and sends students short audio clips. The students have to listen to the audio clip and write down what they hear. They can then send their feedback and get instant feedback on how much they got correct. This is a great way for students to regularly work on developing their listening skills. SpeakPipe. This app allows you to create your own short video files, upload them to server, and get a line that you can share with your students. Send. Send is an interesting way to make podcasts more interactive and engaging for students. You can record your podcasts, a message, a question, or audio file for your students to listen to, and they have to record your replay or add to your message. In our sixth slide, we have 5 listening tips to design listening activities for face-to-face environments. First, play the piece at last twist. Always play the piece at last twist. The first time the students listen should give them a general question to answer, or ask them to tell you anything they hear and can remember, then not give them another activity to do until they have heard the text once already. Second, comprehension questions. Third, fill out the blanks script. Four, go over the new vocabulary beforehand. And 5, splitting the piece. Speaking materials. Five speaking recommendations to design speaking activities for face-to-face environments. Discussions after a content-based lesson. Discussion can be held for various reasons. The students may aim to arrive at conclusions, share ideas about an event, or find solutions in their discussions groups. Before the discussion, it is essential that the purpose of the discussion activity is set by the teacher. Um, Also, we have other some recommendations such as role play, find the difference, brainstorming, and simulations. In the other slide, we have the five listening recommendations to design speaking activities for online language environments. Um, Babbitt Chow's Story Bars, Chow and Tell, ESL Online Conversation Questions, ESL A Big Ad Bell. In Show and Tell, really nice and easy on here which works with for all ages. Simply ask students to display on the screen and a term that has some deep meaning to them. Of course, they will have to explain why it has deep meaning to them, including and stories, and they will also need to answer any questions about the object. Conclusions. Speaking is a complex skill, and our materials need to reflect this. This is such a demanding skill that activities need to be designed to provide scaffolding for the learners so that they begin the activity with confidence. We need to consider where our priority lies in terms of accuracy, fluency, and complexity at specific phases of the planning activity and how learners can best be prepared for each phase. We need to motivate learners to speak in English and give them the means to do it. Not easy, but when it works, it is one of the best feelings in teaching. The advent of new technologies requires materials developers to revise traditional methods of developing and designing language materials, in general listening and speaking materials in particular. Finally, the computer and internet-based technologies provide a variety of facilities of developers and teachers to involve different types of listening activities to cover our learning styles and based on learners' interests. Mm, Here we have the reference in the other blog. And thank you very much. Bye bye.